heard from Tom Campbell, author of Mike Big Toe book, that one doesn't have to give healing or sending love or some other practice 100% of one's attention, and one can heal like as a background process. He does it, and he says about it in one of his fireside chats from year 2014. So I tried to apply it to my sending love practice, but I think my mind got lazy, and if I don't give this process 100% of my attention, then I can give it less and less attention. So yesterday I switched back to the practice of giving all my attention to sending love for 20 minutes. And today I've done it again, and I laid down and I said to myself that with no physical effort at all, I imagine that real love acceptance as a bright pink light flows into every goal on my list, and I would close my eyes and would give my full attention to this, and when I would feel any resistance, I would imagine that real love acceptance flows into this feeling and it would dissipate. And when I would feel any tension in my body or in my emotions, I would imagine, like I'm doing right now, that real love acceptance is flowing into this feeling of tension, and also and as a result it disappears. And this way I was practicing sending love for 20 minutes.